Hi everyone, in this video I will mention 10 common problems that third generation Toyota Sienna minivans are prone to experience. Number 1. Two 2016 models have been recalled because the power sliding doors sometimes won't open, other times they only open partially, and they also have the risk of opening while driving. The repair consists in installing secondary wiring harnesses for both sliding doors and installing new body ECU junction block. Number 2. 2011 to 2013 models have been recalled because the passenger front airbag inflator has the risk of exploding. Number 3. The brake rotors in these minivans tend to warp easily, causing vibration when the brake is applied. Number 4. The alternators in some of these minivans fail before 100,000 miles. Number 5. These minivans are prone to experience clunking noises when turning the steering wheel and when driving over bumps. The cause of this problem is due to worn joints in the intermediate steering shaft. Number 6. The navigation system is prone to reboot constantly. Performing a software update usually solves the problem. Number 7. A malfunctioning sensor in the hood latch causes the alarm to go off randomly without a cause. Number 8. The oil cooler hoses in the 3.5-liter engine tend to develop oil leaks over time. One way to solve this issue permanently is to replace the OEM hoses with a metal set like the one shown on the screen. Number 9. The heater blower motor tends to become noisy over time due to a faulty bearing and needs to be replaced. Number 10. The water pump in 3.5-liter engine is prone to develop coolant leaks before the minivan reaches 100,000 miles. There you have it, my friends. Those are 10 common problems that third generation Toyota Sienna minivans are prone to experience. Take care.